Thank you for coming with me to my shelter that I built from dead branches and moss, and I did not use any tools, just my bare hand. It's very nice. So today I decided to come. I'm not going to work on it, but maybe I'm just going to enjoy it. And right now it's cold, it's going to rain, and today we're going to cook lamb chop and Brussels sprout. Oops. Yeah, that's beautiful. That should be alright. Brussels sprout. Like this. I can feel the drizzling already, so I better quickly cook. That's all right. Okay, now cooking time. Okay, I brought some oil. Let's start with that. Can you hear that sound? That's good. So it's time to cook, guys. Oh, look at this. All right. Turn it. Wow, look at that. That's good. The Brussels sprout will take much longer, actually. Okay, some salt. That's a lot of salt. And some pepper. That's a lot of pepper. That's enough. I'm going to give it another flip, and then after that I'm going to put salt on the other. That looks good. Nice. That's nice. Oh, it smells so good. This is about ready, I guess. I think I'm going to be done soon. I'm going to try one more time. Alright, this is good. Let's try the Brussels sprout. With the juice. I've been having this knife for a very long time. I got it for $1 from a garage sale. This old man said, you can have it, just give me $1 for it, I'm not going fishing anymore, he said. So I believe he made this by himself, so it's really nice. And it doesn't have any teeth, so I make one just to be safe. Yeah, make a sheath just to cover it like that. Yep, I've been having this for 4 or 5 years now. It's really good. You know what, I totally forgot, I brought lime. That's a lot of lime, but I love them. This is what I like coming into the woods. It feels so peaceful, so good. I feel so good about it. Alright, until we meet again, thank you for all your support. Thank you for watching. And I really love to do this, and I would like to post a lot more video. So I had a good time, and thank you for watching, and please like, subscribe, share, and click that thingy, what they call the ding ding dong dong, or the bell, no, the notification. Yeah, that's right. Click on that one too. So that's it for now. I'll see you next time. Bye bye for now.